Yo, they selling dreams but never back it up. Talk a big game but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense. Cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you less you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones. Not in agree, don't think on your own. Asking real questions, watch them get mad. Talking circles when they don't understand. Tricking new traders with hype and some lies. Showing rented cars, flexing fake lifestyles. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. Yeah, don't let them trick you. Don't get scammed. Watch out for the scammy cup and handy.
Right, guys, that's right, guys. Watch out for that scammy cup and handy. What's going on, guys? So happy you're here. Let's go ahead and get started in 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. Now, I do have a new soundtrack going on in the background. Let me know if it's too loud. There are words in this one, so, but I kind of tested it out. To me, it's fine. But if you want a little louder, let me know. If you want a little lower, let me know. But here we go. We are looking at the crypto bubbles. This is on the daily. Whoa, wowzers. Double digit, double digit, double digit, double digit. I love it. I love it. Are we ready? Are we going to the moon? Maybe not so much, but I'm liking the pump. I'm liking the little move that we're getting. If you're not already in these coins and they're moving, be very careful. And we'll go over kind of risk management as far as entering trades. That's on the daily. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, we got green. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let us check out for the liquidation heat map. Let's go ahead and refresh this. We're going to do the 24-hour. Today is the 14th, and let's go ahead and see what we got. We have some liquidations. Let's go ahead and zoom this in pretty tight. We have some liquidations right here at 85. So it's 85,633, 67.45 million. And then we have some right here too. I mean, it's literally, is it going to go up or down? We're going to check that in just a moment. And that's at 84,253. We got some more, a little bit lower, 83,947. But this one is pretty hot. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Let's go here. We got, let's see here. Who was first? How do I get it on that? Here we go. We do have a Dylan. Dylan was first. Thank you, Dylan. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Dylan says, on the road, so stopping by to smash the like and give my support. Appreciate it, man. Means a lot to me. Really does. Of course, we got Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Thank you so much for being here. We have Alexandra G. Thank you for being here. Greatly appreciate you. Hardest man in the crypto. I just grind. I do grind. But hopefully one day it'll pay off. Right now it's still just grind. All Set is in the house. What's up, All Set? appreciate you. Dynamite. Appreciate you guys being here. Looking at the 12-hour time frame, we do have this one at 85,642, 67 million. And then so it's literally up or down. Which way we're gonna go over that in just a moment. Let's check out the total liquidations. I do like looking at this. Even though it just refreshed, I'm going to refresh it one more time for good luck. So total liquidations, we have more that were shorts, a lot more. 33.56 million on the hour that were wrecked. Then for the 4 hour, we have 69.94 million. 12 hour, same thing, shorts all the way, 91.61 million. And then 24 hours, it was kind of almost neck and neck, but the shorts did get liquidated more. Right. For those of you who are unfamiliar, I do the SMC, Smart Money Concepts type of trading, dealing with support levels or support zones, demand zones, market structure, which consists of breaker structure, change of character, order blocks, fair value gaps. Now, I don't use all these terms when I'm actually trading, but I do point them out when they're needed, in my opinion. Then I also do the ICT trading. This is the inner circle trading. This is more so the composite man, market maker, liquidity. This is how I trade as well. So I actually combine both of these trading strategies, and I show you this stuff, but in the most simplistic form. That's pretty much what I do. Let's see here. Of course, you do want to manage your risk. So that's not going to load. So we're just going, oh man, dang it. I didn't think it was going to load up. Let's see here. So right now, of course, if you are a YouTube member, not only do you get access to very cool emojis, but you also get access to member only videos. The higher tier you are, the more information you get, the more videos you get. Just makes sense. Of course, the goal is so that you go here to my VIP group. If you want more information, make sure to reach out to me, trade_intuition. I give you the exact price when to enter. We do detailed videos on moving up, just the overall thought process on active trades, inactive trades, Bitcoin, market. Then sometimes it's just particularly on that one specific trade. If there's something on the chart that I want to explain just a little bit better, then I'll do that as well. But the main goal is for you to go to the VIP. But if you don't have money for it, not a problem. You can still get a lot of the information. Well, I wouldn't say a lot of it, but the information gets trickled down, especially the videos, to the members. The higher tier you are, the more you get. Makes sense. Then, of course, here, you can watch me live every single day, multiple times a day. So for here, I do go live Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to start doing it at 4. I haven't updated this yet. One day I will. But these are my times. And, of course, I have Piper Academy, where I go there live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And so there's a lot of opportunities. And then, of course, I do midnight shows from time to time. Last night I did a midnight show. The night before that, did a midnight show. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to catch up and dominate the market. There's a lot of opportunities. All right, moving on. So we got the housekeeping out of the way. Not too bad. I kind of got wrecked on trying to short. I'm going to show you this. This was my thought process. We're going to zoom out in just a minute, but I do want to zoom in. And now, oh man, I want to short so bad. Let's go 5-minute time frame. So tempting. 1 minute time frame. Down, up, down. I'm actually out of my trades right now. I'm gonna go ahead and enter a short. I mean, I kind of want to see it go here. I gotta go to a higher time frame. 5 minutes, because there's too many ups and downs on that. Man, I really want to, but it's too early. So this is basically trying to catch the top. I tried to catch the top earlier, here, and then here, and then here. I was like, oh crap. So I got stopped out like 3 times. Did I go over here? I don't remember. If I did, I probably got something. I don't remember. I do so many trades. Let's see here. See, I'm gonna do a stop loss right here. Copy. And I'll do a higher entry too. So let me just try it. And I like doing higher leverage. See if I can catch it. So I'm gonna do 71 X leverage. Confirm. Market. Stop loss. Put a little bit of money in. Very little. Because this one already knocked me out a few times. And I'm gonna have to reduce my leverage. Let's go 50. Because the amount of my stop. So I'm still doing this. Still looking at those for a short. And then we're gonna get to the charts in just a minute. Oh yeah. So here's some more information. So right now we're trying to break underneath the 9 SMA. We might come up to the 30 SMA, but this is on the 1 minute. I'm looking at my 5 minute. Let's go ahead and just do it. Let's do it, and then I'm gonna have a higher entry. So we'll do my stop loss here. Granted, I've already been stopped out 3 times. So we're gonna try. We'll do 50x leverage. Going too short. Trying to catch it. Okay. So I'm in. Let us do this. I'm gonna put a higher. Now this one's gonna be a limit order. So let's go to limits. Same stop loss. Okay. Now the limit is going to be 84,947. I'm not going to put the pins. Okay, and here I can put much more. Hopefully it doesn't hit, but if it does. Okay. So I'm in the trade. So I'm kind of trying to front run it. If we go to the 5 minute time frame, what I would really like to see is the break of this level. So for it to come up, then start rolling over, then to enter. But just in case if it just dumps really hard, see how fast it went up? Just in case it dumps really hard, then it's like, oh man, I could have entered it. But the safer entry is always a retest, always a retest. So as it comes up, then starts rolling over, then we can enter the trade. Or if it continues coming down, we wait for it to come up, then start rolling over. So that's rollover pretty much style of trading. All right, so let's go back out of this or hide that. So I made a video earlier. I don't remember. This was probably at night, saying that it was probably going to go up and then come down. So I was actually in a short while I was in a long. The long did really, really well, and then finally got stopped out here. At this point, I was at 300%. So if I would have left it open, would have, could have, would have, it would probably been like 400, maybe 500%. But there was very little money in there because I had taken out 3 profits already, and then I had moved up my stop loss, and then I had just, I think, barely got tapped before going up. It's okay though. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and delete this. I did want to show that before I delete this. And here were my potential targets if it did. So I made a video for my group and also YouTube members right around here, saying that it could possibly come up here and then roll over. These would be the targets that didn't play out. And sometimes they play out, sometimes they don't. Winning and also losing is part of the game. So right now, once again, I'm trying to front run this, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did go up, make a lower high, then start rolling over. We can enter, break of this, then that's when we definitely want to enter. All right, moving on. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you all set. So let's go back to this. So let me see, has anybody commented on the music? Is the music too loud? Is the music too loud? You should probably, hopefully, barely be able to hear it. Here. And then the list. Oh, I have it on top chat. I wish it would do live chat from the get-go. Okay, we have all set dynamite. Okay, so everything looks good. Yes, and same here. I love the 7 to 8 hour trades. I really do. These are only for like an hour. It's like, oh man, like I would like to get more out of it. Right now, things are looking pretty bullish, but I would like to see a retracement on Bitcoin. If we don't get it and we break this, well, for one, I get stopped out already, but then we can start looking for a long. But look at this really big move. Doesn't mean that it has to come down, but if it does, hopefully we can capitalize and then just see what happens as a bounce here and then make a high. So come down, up, down, break the high that it just created, or break the low. Continue down. I wanted to take this. I don't know though, because if we start getting really bullish, then it all goes out the window. Then we start going up. So let's zoom out. Let us zoom out. And hopefully my camera, I can see it already. Have I told you I hate this computer? Because I can see it like there's a slight delay on. Holy moly, retro mic. Let's get some retro mics in the chats. Did it click? Oh, I hate my computer so much. How come I can't like it? Trying to like your comment. But yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, so right now what we're doing is we're stalling. Gotta make my mixed drink. Get my mixed drink. Second. I was gonna do this and I completely forgot. All right, so right now we're looking at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. And let's go ahead and delete this. This is the stuff that we were looking at prior. You know, when the price was here, we were thinking it might come down, you know, come up to this area, which it did, then come down. And then when the price was here, we were thinking that it might come down and then up, which it did. Stop right at this level, which it did, but it did not come down. It eventually started going up. So on this one, I guess we can hide these. And then hide this too. All right, so on the here, happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. JB says, I don't see any problems with the camera or the stream. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. And then hopefully the audio is okay too, as far as the background music. Let's see here. So Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Look at all this straight up. I don't like this. I don't like when price action does this, because it needs to, like, the only thing price needs to do, it needs to go up and down, or down and up, unless it's a rug pull. Let me get some more real quick. All right. Let's see here. So of course, you know, this went up, and then here it looked like it was going to come back down, but it kept on going up, and then finally it came back down. Here it goes up, comes down. Here it goes up, comes down, takes this liquidity and also some of this liquidity, goes up, comes down, takes this nice move, and then more of this, all of this really. And so when it was here, I was thinking it was going to roll over to take this, but it didn't. So this is why I trade level by level. You know, nobody knows what's going to happen. You can have divergence, indicators, everything, but price can do whatever it wants. Crap, and it's green. I don't like this. My higher entry didn't come in yet. I'll wait. I'll be patient. Let's see here. I have my higher bid somewhere up here at 84,974. 84,974. So somewhere right around here. Nobody comes up and then rolls over. We'll see. I mean, this is what I want, but I want to see it come down. I like seeing my profit in the green. That's what I like. So let's come over here to the 4-hour time frame. Let's kind of zoom out a little bit. And we got Wayne C in the house. What's up, Wayne C? Appreciate you, man, being here. But I would like to see it come down, possibly to this dotted line or dash line, and then come up. Because this would be pretty nice. It would be lower than the 0.5. So what I like doing, just extending this a little bit. Let's make sure the magnet tool is on. Let's go to the fib retracement. Let's go from the very low, which would be the wick, to the very high. And this is, oh, I thought it was gonna be low. What did I say, below the 0.5? So it's right in the golden pocket. So I would really love to see it come down here to this, to come up. This is what I would like to see. And then breaking this high, and then eventually breaking this high, and then continue up. And then we can do a long at that time. That's what I would like to see. Thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the best. Appreciate you greatly. Right now, could we do a long? Man, this is the part I hate. We could, because it broke this really nice level. But I really would like to see it retrace, then come up, then we can enter our long. That's what I would really like to see. But I mean, it could go up some more and then find another area of resistance. I don't think it'll go way up here. I don't think it'll be a straight shot up and then come down. That would be ridiculous. Let's see here. Do I see anything else? I do see a very strong level. Why do I have two lines here? So if I delete one, oh, it's because I had another thing on. But I do think this is a key level right here. And it's not. I think it is 91,965 and also 94,270. If the price, or rather, when the price action comes up here, it may get rejected because this was an extremely strong level, and then this one was created from the crypto reserve news. So this pretty strong. We got Wix Wi-Fi 89 in the house. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. Yes, Retro Mike, thank you. Let's see, Wix Wi-Fi says, the new storytime emoji is here. Yes. And I also have this too. Wait for it. Wait for it. Presenting story time. That's story time. So I'll give you a heads up. So whenever I do story time, that's the story time. Can I get a round of applause for that? Can I get a round of applause for that? No? No round of applause? Try it again. A little bit late on that applause there, but thank you. Thank you. That is our story time information. I probably need to do, I don't know if I should just start saying story time when that comes up, or have, I don't know, maybe like a harp. But anyway, back to this. So here, once again, I would like to see it come down. It can go up as much as it wants. Like it can go up to here. This is a nice level before possibly coming down. So 86, we can just call it 86,200. All set is like, we do a clap for you, man. We'll clap for you. Thank you. So it could come up all the way up here, 86,200 before possibly coming down. But right now, I'm trying to chance it and trying to see if we can get to come down. I definitely need to break 84,250 in order for my, and this is on the daily. This is a really strong resistance, really strong. And so if it does pull back, I needed to break that level. which is a strong support now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. 4 hour time frame. Do we see anything else? Today's Friday. Today, I'm gonna get me some Popeyes. I've been waiting all week for it. All week. Roger Mike says, virtuals. Yes. Hey, we got Automatic Beats in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you very much. Right now, we are in a short. It's a risky short, not gonna lie. It's not as confident as our long the other day, which I guess was here. It's not as confident as our long, because the only reason that it's not as confident is because right now, people may start getting bullish and start entering the trade. And that would just wreck my short. But here, I was thinking that this would have been a really nice wherever we entered. I think it was here. Or I don't even remember. But sorry guys, a little sleep. But hopefully we do some work. Now I was watching Road Dogg Crypto, and he actually entered along here when I was shorting. I was like, I don't know, man. I entered a short. Oh no, I entered my short here. Dude killed it. Absolutely nailed it. And good for him. Good for him. All right, so again, the levels I'm watching really are this for us to like get bullish. Right now we have a break of this, so this is the potentially the start of the bullishness. We can only get to this area by making higher highs, higher lows, potentially. We'll see. See here, Wes says, good morning. Woke up with a flat, so no work for me. Happy Friday. Hey. Sure. You're like, hey boss, I'm sick. You've been sick 4 times this quarter on a Friday. Oh, all right, fine, I'll go to work. Call back 10 minutes later. Hey boss, I got a flat. Guys, darn it. All right, cool, man. Talk to you later. Yeah, man, we can party. So yeah, gotcha, West. Let's see here. Duck to the hand. Let's see, what's your go-to at Popeyes? Oh my gosh, the chicken strips. Oh man, chicken strips. And I used to do mashed potatoes, but the last time I went, which was like maybe a month ago, I got fries. I was like, you know what? I'll do the fries. So, but man, the chicken strips, you get a biscuit with it. I don't know if you get a drink or not, but love it. Absolutely love it. JB says, I see 86.5 as resistance. Well, let's verify that. 86.5. So let's do our level way over here. And let's do this. And the coordinates 86,500. And we're going to make this one, we'll make this color and orange. And very thick. Okay, maybe not so thick. We're going to say, okay. Oh, right there. Is that where I placed it? That's crazy. I just placed it at, a random level, but I mean, I saw this, but I wasn't even looking over here. That is crazy. And that's the level you put. Wow. Okay. I'm going to agree with you. That's an area of resistance. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. Let's put our magnet tool back on. And this is our kind of like a little zone. A zone of resistance. And you can see that price kind of like, I think Frank Candle says ping ponged or bing bonged or whatever he says in here. Just like a pinball machine. Bing, 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 and then dump. So this is a strong area. Kind of goes right here too. Kind of, but this is a better So yeah, great job on that resistance. Very nice work. All right, let's see here. No trade for me, sitting back on the gains. There you go, man. Sometimes no trades is better than trading. So C Cleaner says, we found some junk files, 13.1 gigabytes. But I don't like clearing it because then it goes and it clears all my cache. And because it does that are my cookies. And then I got to put in all of my passwords again for everything that I have. Don't like it. This week says virtual slapping me. Virtually slapping me. Yeah, we're looking at virtuals. I think I have it up. I was looking at no, but we'll look it up. Virtuals. Okay. See here. All that says, let the fish swim, Joe. Once they become a bait ball, you dive in. I have no idea what that means. Once they become a bait ball, you dive in. That's, I'm assuming, a fishing thing. I do fish, but I'm not familiar with that. Red beans and rice, or bust. I actually had beans and rice the other night. And that's it, just beans and rice. I love it. And with some japalanos. That's right, I said it, japalanos. I'm trying. All right, so y'all ready for a joke that may be R-A-C, and then there's an est at the end of it? I don't think it is, but my co-workers used to think so. So I have a thing called vitiligo. See how my hand turned, it's white. And so anytime anybody points that out to me, especially at work, they're like, Joe, what is that? It's like a burn or something? I said, no, it's called vitiligo. It's an autoimmune disease. It attacks my pigment, so my color. But I'm not mad at it because, you know, hopefully it does more so that I can hopefully be a boss, because all my bosses were. They're like, Joe, that's kind of, I said, not so much. Just look. So, am I still in the trade? What happened? Oh, it refreshed. All right, so on this trade, we are up. I still have my higher entry. So what we're looking for is it to pull back, then roll over. The rollover is what I want to catch. I tried catching the rollover here, but I got stopped out. I tried catching the rollover here, but I think I got stopped out. I think I was on a trend in the 5 minute time frame. So with me, I mean, I'll tell you my wins and my losses. Like, I don't win all the time. I think it was here. So when it was starting to roll over, I entered the trade. Granted, there's no confirmation or anything. I'm literally trying to catch the top. And then, bloop, stopped out. And then tried again. And it's like, okay, let me, because this might be the rollover. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Especially when you're trying to catch the top. And then I tried it again. And then, bloop. I'm like, come on, man. I don't know. I don't remember if I tried it again. But right now, trying to catch the top is currently paying off. And of course, next C. Now, the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome is happening to me right now. Because normally I go 78 leverage. But today, boring, 50. Now, the reason for this is because I already lost. I lost here, and then if I did another one, I lost that too. So, I mean, I lost some money already. And I don't want to do this and then get stopped out again. It's like, really? Because of the FOMO. So I reduced my risk a few different ways. One, reduce my leverage. And you saw it too, like when I was going to do the trade, I was like, no, that's too much. Like, I would lose too much. And whenever I'm adjusting the slider, I'm looking for the amount that I could lose. And if it's too much, I'll either reduce my entry or I'll reduce my leverage. And this one, I chose the leverage. So right now I'm having the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right, moving on. So let's look at, listen, damn, but I am hungry. Popeyes, here I come. See, Offset says beets. Like the food? No, thank you. I don't think I've had them. I don't think I want to have them. Let's see. I don't know what they taste like, but I don't think I want to have them. Sol has been moving. My alert went off on Sol. but I am expecting a retrace. And this is what you want. You want the retrace. You don't want to enter right now. Now, if the market was extremely bullish and everybody just FOMO city, yeah, you'd enter right now. It broke your level, you enter now. Hopefully it continues going up before it retraces, then it continues. But right now, I mean, the market is not good. This could be the potential start. Oh my gosh, it would be so amazing if this was the potential start. Oh my gosh. But we don't know. So until we know, then we enter on that pullback. You don't want to enter on this breakout. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Pi dumped big time last night. It was funny too. Last night, right around this time, one of the members in my VIP group, they said Pi just dumped. I was like, oh, and it dumped and then started coming up again. And they're like, well, maybe it was just a shakeout to take out some of this liquidity. And then sure enough, it rolled over. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Sure enough, rolled over. So this would have tricked people. Oh, it came down and took this level. Let me enter it. It's coming up. Boom, let's go. And then stopped out. So, I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and do this one. And as you can see, I love doing the drawings. So let's do virtuals. If y'all have any coins y'all want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I absolutely love questions. We have Loss on Crypto in the house. What's up, Loss on Crypto? Appreciate you, man. Loss on Crypto paying homage to Uncle Jesse. Uncle Jesse is the Clovers. Uncle Jesse is the Clovers. Let's go ahead and run through this. So this one is for everybody. This is for everybody. This is Bingo Bango. Bingo Bango is everybody's emoji. The ones that do support the channel over and above, you know, whether it's financial or just the amazing support and just helping, then you get emojis. Of course, Bitcoin, we do want Bitcoin to help us. We need Bitcoin to help us. We do have username. Username's kind of been slacking a little bit, but he's very, very busy. And I greatly appreciate whenever he can come and contribute. This is his trading helmets. Hey, we got Jono in the house. What's up, Jono? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. Let's see here. Then, of course, we have myself. And this one will be soon replaced once we get somebody else who steps up to the plate, either helps out financially with the channel or just, you know, helping with just watching videos and smashing the like and commenting and sharing and just trying to get the word out there, really. Then, of course, we do have this one. This is for Uncle Jesse. Then, of course, we have none other than the latest and the greatest, the Mod Queen. So this is her crown. This is the Mod Queen. Then, of course, for Bitcoin, we do have, or any coin really, we have the buys and sells. Then we have my man, the largest contributor to the channel is Retro Mike Tech. He has gifted out a whole bunch of memberships, and that truly does help not only support the channel, but it helps people who don't know about all the perks that you get with YouTube members. You get the videos. You get videos that I give to my VIP. Those get trickled down. The higher level you are in the membership, the more you get. But I do try to put out some videos to all of the members so that it gives you an idea of either the market, Bitcoin, maybe. Normally the higher tiers, you get to see what charts we're in and the thought process behind it, and also moving up stop losses when I do those type of videos. But for everybody else, you know, they'll get, you know, maybe a Bitcoin update, especially for them. Then, of course, we do have the famous story time. So whenever we do story time, this would be the emoji. You can actually do this, which would be me and story time. So that would be pretty cool. And we would love to see the emoji just flying off the charts when that happens. Bingo bango. That's right, guys. Bingo and a bang. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at virtuals. Let's go ahead and delete our 88 drawings. Get out of here, 88. We don't want you here. You're making me nervous. All right. So of course, on the weekly, to the moon. Man, made a lot of people a lot of money. And then coming back to refuel, possible. Let's look at the 3-day. You can see that it's possibly starting to reverse. Let's go to the daily. And every time we go to a lower time frame, we're getting more and more pivots. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for pivots. All right. Hey, we got Jesus bread in the house. What's up, Jesus bread? A dollar crisis going to cause gold and silver to skyrocket. I agree 100%. If y'all agree with that statement, put a +1 in the chat. I agree completely with that statement. Well, the first part anyway, I haven't read everything. The dollar crisis going to cause gold and silver to skyrocket, 100%. And gold is what, over $3 grand already? I believe so, last time I checked. Also, Bitcoin and alts, big spike. Like I've said for the past few days, then let's see, will last until the 20th. Massive dump after that. All right. So he's mentioned the 20th twice already, guys. So take note. Take note. So we have 6 days, guys. We have 6 days of potential gains before a retrace. Now I got a question, Jesus Bread. On the 20th, what's happening? Is there like a FOMC meeting? I haven't checked the calendar. Is there some kind of data that's being coming out? Is there some kind of agreement that is going to be signed, or like what? Why the 20th? I forgot to ask that last time. See here, Jesus Bread says, just saying the news before it happens. The charts will make the news. Okay, so what charts are you looking at? Are you looking at the VIX or something? And how do you know the 20th? Can we also look at Kava? Yes, definitely. Kava. So Kava breaking higher, looking for a 2-4 hour candle close. I like how you think, Jono. So Jono is being very patient because it might be a fake out. So close above 0.46 to 4 hour candles. Very nice. I like it. See, I don't know what XCN is. Me neither. I don't like it. That's all I know. I don't like it because I've done research on it. I've done a fundamental analysis and I don't know what it is. The only reason they say that it pumped was because it got listed on Binance when it did pump. But I don't know why it's still going good. It retraced quite a bit. It looks good to me right now. What do you think? Okay. I think I don't like it. But can it make you money? Definitely. Matter of fact, Uncle Jesse brought XCN to us. I think it was after the first pump. And I was like, nope, I don't like it. What is it? Look at the market cap. Look at what it is. I don't know what it is. And going back and forth and this and that. So I think it's payments or something. I said, I don't like it. Sure enough, we checked it like 4 days later. It went up 100%. So just because I don't like certain things doesn't mean it can't make you money. All these coins are making money, all of them. But I like getting into safer ones. And then sure enough, we checked it again and it was coming down. It's like, nope, still don't like it. We checked again like a week later, it went up like another 100 or something percent. It's been doing crazy. All right. Lawson Crypto says, scalp knife out at the moment. Let's go. See, can you see it on your screen? See what on my screen? Instead of saying it, oh, your scalp knife. Yes, I can see your scalp knife on the screen. Can't see it on your screen. Can't see what on my screen. So whenever you say it, please refer to what you're talking about. I actually read it as you posted it, but I have no idea what you're talking about. I see here, Tano. What's up, Tano? Hey, everybody. Been a while. Sure has, man. Glad you're here. Glad you're here. Lawson Crypto says, yes, supposed to be a payments platform. Yeah. For me, so I don't like payment platforms. I don't like that. But I do remember that it's a way to pay like employees. Now, granted, there's other ways you can do it too, but this is more of a business type dynamic setup. So because of that, when I was going through it, I was like, hey, I like it. You can have employees and pay them through this as an official way of payment. So that I did like. Your chart is virtuals. Okay. So now I have to go back to the chat and see what you're asking. I don't know what. No. Let's see. Scalp knife out at the moment. Can't see it on your screen. Your chart is virtual. You can't see what on my screen. I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go and continue. So right now we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and oh yeah, so on the daily, let's see if we can find some levels. So in the daily, we had this nice zone. Oh no, I like this. Okay, so we'll do this, and it's funny, guys. I know y'all are thinking like, man, Joe is so dumb. Like, I'm telling him something, or I'm asking him something. He doesn't even know what I'm talking about. He's actually talking about it right now. But I don't know if you're referring to something I'm talking about now, something I've been talking about, you know. So it's always the who, what, where, when, why with me. That's just better communication. It'll help you in life. I guarantee it. It'll help you in life. All right. So here we are. We entered this bounce zone. This is our little pivot. So the way I get these bounce zone, it's a range. Price came up and it stopped, came down, it stopped, came up a little bit more. It stopped and then it went. So because of this is creating my range, and because of my range, this is my possible bounce. It doesn't mean it will, but there's a chance that it might. And this one happened to bounce. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at this nice little move. What is the percentage on this? Oof, little. Good Lord, 26%. Because of the market cap being so small, it could continue to rip. I'm actually going to take a trade on this. It's going to be a leverage trade, and not a crazy one either. Well, maybe crazy. I don't know. It broke this level, and if it comes down, I'm thinking like nobody knows. But I'm thinking right here, which would be the 50% mark. From the low to the high, boom, bingo, bango. Look at that, guys. 50% mark, boom. And which is actually in the golden pocket down here. So I do like this. What I would like to see, now here's the thing. It could just shoot up, as I mentioned, due to the market cap. But what I would like to see is I would like to see a retracement to this area and then come up. If you are looking at this for a trade, and thank you very much, Retro Mike, for showing this to us. If you're looking at this for a trade, what I would recommend is, shoot, man, I actually want to short it to here to come up. Let's put out our secret weapon. Okay, so I'm thinking it can come down to at least to the average, the VWAP. But they moved really far from the 9 SMA. So again, possibly coming to the average. It's not a magnet, it's an average. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So nice pump. I kind of don't want it crossing this level on the 1 hour. So now I'm torn. I don't want it crossing this level. Because it's a pivot. But it would be very healthy if it came down in here to the 0.5. What is this, the 382? From the low to the high, just underneath the 382. Okay, so I'm still thinking short before long. Let's go 15-minute time frame. You can see it trying to roll over. If it breaks this level, my short is looking really nice. And then my stop loss for the short would have to be above this, and it would have to be right here. So that means I can't go too crazy on my leverage. I'm gonna actually take this as a short. I'm gonna take this as a short. But I do want it to go up. Maybe to here. To go up. Like, it just depends on where it finds its support. Oh, this is the ideal. This is the perfect spot right here. But it might do this. Or trade intuition in the building. Yeah. Let me see this. I think I'll break through that. Bitcoin's coming up. Come on, Bitcoin. You're making me look bad here. You're making me look bad. Futures. So I haven't done anything yet. This is gonna have to be my stop loss. Copy. And everything's taking forever to load. I guess in this case it's good because it's going up. Virtuals. Okay. Now I gotta see what my leverage is gonna be. And it's coming up. I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame. Like a noob when it comes to risk management. When the trade starts to go the wrong way, they cancel it, selling the hype while you begging. Please talk about 3-to-1 risk management, but they never show. Only post profits when markets blow. 3-to-1 risk, but they cash out fast. Possible. But can't even last. Let me see once this kind of closes. Here's my stop loss for sure. So I'm gonna do market just because I'm using very little money. If I was using more money, then more than likely, and yeah, if I was using more money, it would be different. But I'm gonna start this for a little bit. That way, as soon as it starts rolling over, hopefully I can catch it with my stop loss right there. Ooh, can't do 50. That's for sure. How much am I looking at getting? 5. Here, so I can do a 10. I can do a 10x leverage. Let me see what it says for 20. 20 is very dangerous. Like 5 would be good. 2 would be good. Okay. I can do 20. So right now, so here's the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. So here, I would like to see it come up to here. Let's do Alt J. And we'll do this in blue, do in tan. I would like to see it come up here. The most here. Definitely don't want to cross this. But I would like to see it roll over, and then we can go long, and then just keep that long. And then as it meets a resistance level, we can hedge trade. So we're taking a short, but the long is what we want to play out. So we'll just stare at that for a little bit. I'm gonna go back to this. See, Jesus Bread says beam bands monthly charts, also weekly if you like to zoom in. Let's see, 2015 having center circle red, outer band blue, lineup history repeats itself, Israel feast. I've never heard of the beam bands. I will have to look into that.
I wake up early, check the charts, no delay. Crypto moves.
Matter of fact, I will take a screenshot of this.
No stress, no guess. I trade with precision.
That way I make sure to save it for the information you provided. All right. JB says, I'm not confident in AI tokens. I know. I don't know if it was just a fad and then it's going to go away, but AI is not. So in that sense, because it's AI, I think it might continue. And meme coins will definitely continue. So as an AI meme coin, I think they'll come back. But AI tokens, they're gonna do well, in my opinion, because everything is leading to AI. These songs that you're hearing right now, if you can hear them, so far I haven't gotten feedback on it, but these songs that you're hearing, those are all AI. I tweaked them a little bit, but yeah. I used to like virtual, me too. Virtual made a lot of money, made a lot of people a lot of money, but I can't see a future in AI agents built on the platform when Grok exists. So I can't see a future in AI agents. Well, I think all the AI agents, I might enter this trade. Let me see the candle closes, and hopefully it closes underneath my 9 SMA. And then I'll put a higher entry up here. We'll see. But I know Rock is really good and it helps out a whole bunch. But these AI agents, they're like, there's one, I forget the name of it, but it's an AI agent to where it literally invests for you. Now, would I trust something like that? I'd be afraid. And if I did, it'd just be like 1,000. It wouldn't be like a lot of money. Or if that's a lot of money to you, it would be about 1,000. If I had more, that's what I'd put in there. Just to see if it's gonna maybe, I don't know, hack me or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I think on that. See here, Loss on Crypto says XRP. Okay. XRP, Ondo, and Sui. Okay. That's how we figured it out. Not always accurate because of manipulation, but history usually repeats itself. They're going off the old Go charts. Okay. Very nice. So this is what I'm looking at as far as virtuals go. I do expect it to hopefully potentially pull back and hopefully 06281. So we're going to leave this one up and we're going to look at Sui really quick because I do have this chart up. Let's go ahead and hide this and hide this. And this is what our thought process was. What is the price range tool say from here to here? 12%. Okay, this plan still holds out. I would set my alert at 2.6762. Wait for the 4-hour candle close above this before we enter, because we are having this range zone that could potentially be resistance. So that's what I would do on that. So we did Sui. Let's see here, XRP. Don't have XRP up, but let's go and do XRP here. XRP, USDT. I'm going out of order. I just realized that. XRP is looking great. This is where our alert would have been set. If you would have wanted to, you could have entered here based off of our previous live streams. Enter half here just in case it does come down. Then you can do half here as well. It did come up right to this level. We would do our other half here, but let's say we can do any of this stuff, and it's a 4-hour candle close that has to be done. So let's go ahead and delete 46 drawings. We're looking at this. It looks really great. As much as I don't like XRP, for those of you who know, you know. So this is our zone right here. I really do like this. Man, look at all this liquidity it's leaving behind. I'm scared of XRP because XRP loves to give gains and take it away. Give it and take it away. So for XRP, here is a key level. Here is, I wouldn't say this is a key level. Man, but this is a level. And I would really expect it to come down to about here before continuing up. But if you're very bullish on XRP, then you could enter here. Let me see what the price range tool says. From here to here. Okay, that's nothing. All right. Oh man, I hate doing that. %. A lot. %15 is doable. But when the XRP pumps, it pumps. Virtuals may not succeed, but AI agents likely. And there were so many scam coins on virtuals. It was literally pump fun for AI. It wants to move. Look at the 1 hour. A little bit of selling pressure. It's just up. I would like to see a retrace, then a break of the pivot for an entry. And this, man, look at how tight that is. It broke out of it. I'm so tempted. I haven't traded XRP in like 3 or 4 years. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna do XRP for a long. I'm gonna do high leverage too. I'm gonna get ridiculous on it. I haven't. This is going down in history. XRP USDT, and then watch. I'm gonna get wrecked. Only trading with money I want to lose. Not want to lose, but I can't afford to lose. But I mean, you can do a 10x leverage. Go to a 5-minute time frame. Right now it's above all this. I mean, I missed it long. It was way back over here. Pretty far away from this. I'm gonna try it. Here would be it, but I would get liquidated. But a lower leverage or lower entry right here. But I'm gonna try it. Oh. I'm gonna go. You know, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go pretty high leverage. The 5-minute time frame. Try it. Let's shoot our shots. Okay. So I just entered. And then I'm gonna have a, since I did higher leverage, like very high leverage, like very, I'm gonna do my next entry right here in case it comes down. And then I'll go to limit. What should I put in this? let's see what we got. We got Lost on Crypto super chat. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you. And for that, I will show you the amount of leverage I'm using. Don't do it though. Don't do it. Now remember, there's a lag. There's a lag between the stream and what y'all see. So there's a lag. Now for my VIP members, what I do from time to time, especially when they request it, we do a stream on Telegram, and then I also do it on YouTube, but only for the VIP members. So it's recorded. So give me a tip. But that way on the stream, you can see it like in real time. Let's see. So it's coming down. Okay, not panicking. I'm gonna put a lower bid. My lower bid, I'm thinking 23,561. Is that where I said? Yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'll put a little bit in. Okay, so I set my lower bid here, and then I'm gonna do one more lower bid right here, just due to the amount that I have. And it's very little money, guys. Like literally like pennies. Not literally, but pretty literally. And then copy this. Okay, and we're gonna do one last limit order of that. And then hopefully we don't get wrecked. It's the first time. This is the first time I've traded XRP in like 3 years. But when it moves, it moves. And then, hopefully I get this one. Hopefully it comes down to get this. I don't want it to get this, but if it does, then great. But then like I'm probably get stopped out like right here. So if it goes and just dumps like it normally does, I'm gonna get liquidated. All my money go to zero. Money go to zero. But if it does come down here and then comes up, the first thing I'm gonna do is get my stop loss, move it up to profit. So if I get stopped out, hey, at least I'm in profit. All right, moving on. But trading XRP at that leverage, that's literally insane. Like the highest I would trade XRP is like maybe a 20x, say for a 10, but the highest I would do it is a 20. I'm doing this more so for entertainment. Right. Why am I entering? I broke this level, and it potentially coming up. When it breaks this level, then I'm scared. It's like, oh crap, I'm gonna come down, which would be the safer entry for the XRP. All right, moving on. Moving on. Moving on. Let's go. Okay. So, I mean, I do like XRP. Oh, I don't like XRP. I do like the price action on XRP. I would expect it to come down here to this level. We're going to change this color so it's not so confusing. We'll put it to this beige color. And then this would be your let's see here. Oh yeah, let's get to the chat. See here. See, Joe is doing the DGen trade. Yes, big time. Let me catch up on the chat, man. There's a lot of chat. Sorry, guys. See, what Made in America tokens are you guys getting into? If we have time, we'll kind of run through those. Made in America. Made in America. Great question, West. So we did put those on the list already. Oh, and I need to do Kava next. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna go in order from here on out. Jesus Bread says, that's how we figured it out. Not always accurate because of manipulations. We read that. AI agents are going anywhere. Okay, we read that, I believe. We somehow. Okay. AI agents aren't going anywhere. We are building an entire division around them at work. Nice. They are based on how they are trained. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. Retro Mike Tech. Like if I knew like how to do any of it. I'm completely lost. But man, I would love like some automation. I watch videos and I just waste too many hours on trying to watch videos on, and then you got to do all these like, it looks like a spreadsheet, and then one connects to one, and then this one does this, and then like, it's too much. It's too much. See here, there are more like personal assistants, right? Geared towards a specific use case. Yeah, don't mix them with big entity LLM. Yeah. Dr. Mike Tech says, I definitely think AI agents will be big, but you are building them on virtual protocol? Question mark. We don't build. We provide cybersecurity risk assessment around them. Virtuals may not succeed, but AI agents will like, yep. Virtuals is just one of the many AI agent-centric, yeah. No doubt, Mike. I just see people building them using Rock and Python rather than, yeah. See, virtually pump fun for AI. Flip that, yep. Let's see here. Then we have loss on crypto. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much for doing that. Again, it does help support the channel. Every bit helps. Every bit helps. No, we're going to zero. It's okay. I have 2 more entries. It's okay. Let's see here. So we're on the same page. I've been staying away. We are in this one together, but I'm so skeptical on. I spotted only no leverage. Oh, then that you're good, man. Doing regular spot, no leverage, you're good. Doing leverage, extremely risky. I mean, this is like probably this is riskier than trading an AI agent right now because of XRP and how they like to dump. So I would rate this like an 8. Like trading virtuals, I treat it like a 6 as far as risk. This one is like really high. See, March 20th, 2023 was the invasion of I don't know if I can say all these words. I just go to YouTube. Marking the beginning of that thing. Then XRP breaks is going to skyrocket to somewhere around $16, possibly 20 before the 20th of this month. Oh, I doubt that. But dude, can you imagine that? Whatever 74x leverage with like a couple pennies going to $20. Get out of here. I take profit at 16, 18, 19, and then 20. Let's go. On March 20th, 2019, Trump announced, really? I hope you win that trade on XRP. It's about to rip. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Man, I'm going to do high leverage too. Hopefully win this. Okay, whoa. Hold on. Before you do anything, look at the amount of money that I'm using. Like, don't think I'm trading this with $50 or $100 or anything. I got $2 in this. I have $2. Look at this margin, $2. So I have $2 here. Because I don't have a stop loss, because my stop loss will be here. I'm not sure where my liquidation will be, but I have $2 in my entry, $2 here. Normally I do 4 and then 6. Yeah, or 8, because I double every time I go lower. But I'm already low on money. I'm low. Let me do this. So this account I have specifically to just high leverage trades, see if they go, if they do, great. If I lose, whatever. But this account that I have for YouTube is strictly high leverage. So just to let you know, Bitcoin, you can see it right here. I only have $7 in this, almost $8. My first entry was like $2 or something. Then I had a higher entry for my short of like $5 and something, and it hit it and then it started coming down. So that's why I'm in profit. And then the same thing with this. If it comes down, it hits it, great, because it lowers my average entry to about here. And then as it crosses it, I'm in profit. So before you do get crazy and be like, oh, I'm gonna put $50 or $100 do high leverage. No, whenever you do high leverage, it's always little money, $5, $10, whatever is little to you. But don't, like, I would hate for people to get wrecked. So even though I only have $2 in this trade, it's as if I'm trading with $150. And if this lower one hits, which I hope it does, and I want this one to at least hit. This one I don't want because I'm gonna get scared. It's like, oh crap, if it breaks the level, I'm gonna take like a 50% loss, if not higher, 70% loss. Don't want to do that. But yeah, if you want, we can always play. We can always play like high leverage. Put $1 in, $2, $5, $10. It just depends on what coin we're doing. So yeah, but I don't want anybody getting wrecked. Don't want anybody getting wrecked. And then if you ever want to see me actually doing the trade as I'm doing it, just let me know. Now, granted, just know there is a delay. So if you see me, oh, I'm entering now, and you're like, oh man, we need to, like 20 seconds already passed, if not longer. So give you a heads up. See here, Mamba Bull. Mamba Bull says, what is your position size on XRP, for example? Okay, so I showed that it's $2. Like I don't like this account for YouTube, very high leverage. So there's times where I'll trade Bitcoin 78x leverage and I use $10 or $5, sometimes $20. But Bitcoin moves very slow. XRP, you can see it moves, good percentage. So this candle would be like a 3 or 4% on Bitcoin, possible. So you have to take all those into account. But right now, I kind of show the bigger picture as far as XRP goes. And this is just a regular spot trade. If you wanted to, maybe a 2x leverage. Right now, it's just degen, very high leverage, very small time frame. And let's see what it does. That's all that is. Hopefully that makes sense. XDC, give it a look. Okay. I gotta start working because I'm talking too much. Spot it until you turn a consistent profit, then start trading futures. Oh yeah, definitely. And for me, this is just for fun right now. I would like to see it come down and go up, but like who knows if it could shoot up from here. And let's just see what happens. Hopefully, I just plan on being this short. Hopefully, just short term. But if it just people XRP army wake up and say it's going to the moon, let's go, $50 or $500. That's what I heard when I first started. All right, so my lower entry just got hit. So let's put this over here. So I'm in $3. Oh, I thought I put $2 in. Oh, it ripped me off. I put $2 in. I put $2 each level. It stole $1 from me. Can they do that? I don't know. I know what we'll do. We'll do this. We'll do this. That's what we do. So I'm actually going to stop the recording because it's just going to eat up my memory. So I stop the recording and we're going to, I have it here somewhere. This one? Nope. Oh, it's this one. And then let me know if y'all can see this thing. So let me know if y'all can still see that. Let's see here. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. But for XRP, I would expect it to come down before going up. But if the bulls, or not bulls, but if the XRP army comes in, it should go up and go up very nicely. We'll see. But I am expecting to get wrecked on this leverage trade. Don't want to, but I am expecting. Kava. But it'd be really cool. My first time I'm trading this in forever, and with very crazy high leverage, and it goes up. So Kava, okay, Kava is coming down, 4-hour time frame. It moved too much. When did we look at this one? Way back over here. Oh, we got stopped out a long time ago. Delete all that. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh no. From here, 25. Let's do a level here. Kind of concerned because I put $2 for my lower entry, but it only marked $1. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. 4 hour looks pretty good. Really not, man. I like this as far as a bounce zone. Okay. What is the percentage? That's always important. Percentage. From here to here, 9%. Okay. This one's actually a good setup. I'm not sure who did Kava. I know it was a long time ago. This is actually a good setup. So let's go ahead and do this as an official trade. Regular spot trade, nothing crazy. This is going to be our stop loss. We're going to copy this. We're going to go to this and put our stop loss in. Stop loss. I do like that. Okay. Then we can actually do, we can do an enter now, even though it did move up. Well, let me double check 1 second. From here to here. Okay, it only moved up like 14% from this point up here. So we can actually enter now, even though it pumped. I expect it to come down. So before you start jumping the gun, not financial advice, of course. Lower YouTube entry. Let's go over here. Today is March 14. Time is 1:30. Wow, we are way late. Normally I just like doing this for an hour, but since we did get a super chat, we will extend it slightly. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna try my absolute best to run through all of them. I don't know if I'll be able to. And then we would have a lower bid down here. See, lower entry. And then our target. Oh, back yeah. All right, so you might be thinking, man, that's a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's horrible. Like, how did you become a mentor? Calm down, calm down. That's just our first target. And this is really not 12%. Why isn't it 12%? I will show you in just a moment. Let's do this target. You're only doing 50% in here. So it's like you're only losing 6%. So let's say you're going to do $100. You put 50 in here. You put 50 in here. You're only losing 12% or 13% of your $15. Your whole thing is $100. Let's say it does come down here and bounce off of this box, or maybe even come into it, but let's just say it bounced out of the box and then comes up. Now you've actually lowered your entry to about here, which as soon as the price crosses this, now you're in profit. Not only that, but you have another entry right here. And for this stop loss, you're looking at about 7%. So that is your first target. We got to find another target. Now we don't want to go too crazy high due to the fact that the market can change at any moment. Okay, let's do this one right here. Here is your next target. Now, if you don't want to take the first target, you don't have to. Nothing is forcing you to take these trades. Nothing is telling you that you have to do this exact level. This is just so that you can get this profit in case the market does turn. Right now, once again, the market is not looking great. Then we'll give you one more target. You know, we had a super chat, so we will be very, very gracious. Here would be your, let's just do an even 50. So this will be your final target. Copy this. Move this over so you can see more price action. Was the vision I drew. Haters be talking, but they've no clue. I wanna get rich with you, not because that's the best we can do. So that is your setup. That is your setup. See, Jesus Bread says, yeah, I would never do a lot of money with high leverage, but because I know where XRP is heading up until the 20th, I'm going to do it just with small amount. There you go. Small amount, not financial advice, very small amount. Let's see here. So that is the setup for that one. Next, let's do, this is gonna be very fast. Oh, B3 looks, this is my bounce area. I might look at B3. IP, virtual. So virtual's kind of just going sideways right now. Solana's rocking and rolling. Let's look at XCN, USDT. Give me MXC. Go to a daily. All right. So when the price was over here, we saw it. I said, I don't like it. A couple days later, it was all the way up here. I said, more than likely, you know, it'll come down. And this is our decision points. And more than likely roll over. And sure enough, it has. Let's come all the way to the 786 level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we actually went over this a few days ago when the price was here. Said the price may come up here to this level of resistance and then come down. This is why it's extremely important to set your target here. The 4-hour 12-hour. Normally I say 4-hour, but good thing I wrote this out. The 12-hour candle must close above this level. That's what this represents. But we did get alerted, but notice the 12-hour candle did not close above it, so we did not enter it. This thought process actually played out. Came down, came up, came down. So now we're looking at it right here. This one, I mean, it looks very, very dangerous. Could I 60%? Could you do this? I mean, it's just making lower highs like all the time. Okay, so now what we can do is we could do it right here, but I don't want to. We're going to do it above this. So instead of putting it above these wicks, we're going to put it above these candle bodies and wicks. This will be your new set alert at 0.0173,883. Same thing, the 12-hour candle, when your alert goes off first, the alert must go off first. Then you check to see if the 12-hour candle closed above it. If so, you can enter. If it didn't, we don't. So that is the thought process on that one. Here, Bitcoin is 120K, 130K before March. Sell March 18th night before the 20th. Dude, like, I seriously doubt in 6 days, you think it's going to go from, what is it at now? 84? You think it's going to go from 84 to 120? That's like some alley, backdoor alley behind the, it's crazy. Like, there is like literally no way anything can happen, but it's literally virtually impossible. Like, impossible. So did we do Ondo? Let's see. Ondo looks good too. So for Ondo, we would have to set an alert about right here. So set alert 0.91476, and once the alert goes off, we can enter the trade. The 4-hour candle must close above this level for our if it does come down after we enter, this is a really nice area for it to bounce. So about 6%. So I like this one a lot, and I'm actually gonna set an alert on this one because I do love Ondo. Oh, let me give you all a sneak peek. This is my Ondo. This is for my VIP group. Price was here. Now it's saying more than likely come up to here before potentially coming down, and then let's see what happens. Because I posted in the group, if people want to take a leverage trade on it based off of the information that might happen, nobody knows. They could have gone long, and then here they could go short. So give you a heads up. This is for my VIP group, and that's a good thing whenever you're here in. Let's see, Ondo. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is Ondo 4-hour time frame. So whenever you're here, sometimes I do accidentally, wink, wink, show you stuff from the VIP. Give you a heads up. And I like it. So we just gotta wait. So notice the difference. Notice the difference. For the YouTube, I'm saying, wait for the alert to go off, 4-hour candle must close, this and that, blah, blah. But in the VIP group, I'm showing them my thought process on what might happen. And if they want to, they could take this as a trade, going up and then maybe coming down, and then maybe it reverses here. And it's like, okay, let me go long again. Maybe hedge trade. So there's a huge difference. This little thing right here. Now, if it breaks this level, let's go short. Definitely go short. Could this short continue to play out? Definitely. But this is a safer entry. And matter of fact, I actually put this, let me show you the actual post. So I put this, let's see here. So this was this morning at 8. So today's date, this morning at 8 o'clock. I said Ondo might attempt, so we might attempt a short at the top. Unfortunately, I'm doing stuff, but this lets them know if they want to, they can take it. But unfortunately, I'm, doing what I'm doing right now. Not only that, but there's not too many that are taking shorts right now. I have videos to short, and man, my dumb XRP. So my XRP, my order just got filled completely. Let's look at XRP. Ondo. XRP. USDT. Oh, let's see. Well, that doesn't look bad there. Here it looks bad. Stare at this for a little bit. See me get liquidated. Now, if I go down to 50% of market close, I don't want to go 50%. I'm looking for a bounce right here. This is where I'm looking for a bounce for my short to go. If it breaks this level, I don't want to be in it, because more than likely it'll come down in here, come up, or even further. So right now it is breaking the level. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame. So this is a level that I do not want it to break. Alt J. We'll do this very thick, and we'll do it. Yeah, we'll do it there. I don't want it to break that level. Looks very bad. Come on, come on, let's go.
Late nights hustling in the crypto sphere. Trade intuition buys my gear.
Okay, come on, Wick. Keep on going. Let's go. Good. There we go. Come on. My Bitcoin's doing nice. Let's see here. So we did Ondo as well. We need to do XDC. Come on, XRP. Come on, XRP. So we need to do XDC. And then that will be the end of the show. Of course, I do thank you, Lost on Crypto, for doing the donation. That actually helped extend the show. So thank you very much for that. Let's go to XDC, USDT, MEXC. Okay, this one's looking pretty nice too, right at the level. It's very dangerous though right now, because it's just doing nothing but, because here it looked nice, it broke out great and kept on going lower. So my plan A from here was going to come down and go up, and it just shot straight up. Our alert would have went off. Our 4-hour candle would have told us, okay, we can enter. We would have entered the trade, nice profits, and then hopefully we were out of the trade. It came all the way down. But right here, they want you lost in the charts, patterns all in your mind. But I keep it real simple. And let's see if we can do this zone. From here to here. It's so dangerous because all these pivots that are so close together. It's literally stair stepping its way down. Man, I'm gonna have to exit my XRP. I gotta wait for the candle to close. Gotta wait for the candle to close. We'll see. It's toying with me, playing with my emotions. It wants me to close it so they can skyrocket and go to $45. That's what it wants to do. It's like, oh, you haven't traded me in a long time. I'll show you why you stopped trading me, because I was very I'd always go against you. Like, yeah. So let's look at XDC while we're looking at that. Man, because of this zone right here, it could do this and then boom, and then continue doing this number. This one's difficult. For me personally, like I would, if for a trade, oh, it's not bad. I thought it was like 50%. I'd have to wait. So what I would do, let's go in. So I would wait like 20%. Maybe a little bit more. So what I want to see is I would like to see this, and then it breaks this level, and then for here I would like a 4-hour candle to close above this. Now granted, when it does close, if it does close, I would not be surprised to see the price come down and then find support here before continuing to go up. So here is still a good entry, and if it does come down, it's just a few, like 6% before going up. So I would set my alert at 0.09088. That's what I'll do. So I know y'all can't see that. So 0.988. So this would be the alert. Man, that was a long delay. Okay, let's see here. Boston Crypto says, LOL to your XRP statement. And I know it's true. Jesus Bread says, it will go to 45, the next level, $70. Man, you be smoking some, like, Jesus. Like, I don't know if you see, or Jesus Bread. I can guarantee $70 XRP is not going to happen. Not this cycle. More than likely not next cycle. Maybe the following. Well, I mean, it is with the Trump. Nah, man, you're like $20 is pushing it. 70. Yeah. After 16 to 20 XRP. Going to keep running through the bear market. Not even if we get Trump, might keep extending this thing. Jesus. So hold on, Jesus Bread. When are you saying XRP will go to $70? This cycle? Next cycle? When? Let me know. All right, so let's look back at XRP. Okay, getting some hope. Getting some hope. Come on. Oh, because I'm looking at you? Really? Because I'm looking. So we did all these coins already. We did all these coins. Oh, come on, man. Why are you doing me wrong? Why are you doing me dirty? So this one, oh, man, we missed a short. Dang it. Here was our short. Remember how I said, waiting for it to come up and then start rolling over? The rollover is our short. And we're going to add to it right here. If it breaks the level, we don't know. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? I know there's a delay in this thing. So I will wait about 2 minutes or a minute. All right. And then today is Popeyes. Oh, let me see if anybody's streaming. See if I can push y'all over to them.
Load the bags right now, don't get out with it. Crypto King rise, don't round trip profits. Stack it up high, let the winds depart.
Okay. Let's see, so it's going to be 2. Sin City. Let me see if I can set it up for that. Sin City. So Jesus Bread says 7. Hey Bob, what's up, man? Yeah, we can do ETH. I was already done, but we can do ETH for you. 70 to 518 during the Trump presidency. We can do a gentleman's wager on that. Because that is like not happening. And when I say not, I mean like not. Sorry, I wasn't looking at you. Not happening. Oh my gosh. Let me go back to my, where's my stuff? My trade. 36. I got 21 seconds. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. I got my finger on the flash crash or flash close. 8 seconds. It's gonna make me close it and it's gonna go up. I'm waiting. I'm seeing it green. I'm waiting. As soon as it flashes red, I'm out of the trade. Now, granted, there's a delay between what y'all see and what I see. As soon as it flashes red, I am gonna get out. It just flashed red. 10. Okay, it's. So when I say as soon, I mean like 10 seconds. So I do a countdown. So it flashed green again. Okay, so it flashed green. Whenever it flashes red, I do a countdown, 10 seconds. Unless it like drops really quick. Now I do have my VWAP right here. Oh, it's way down here on this. Okay. Concentrate. I don't like what just happened right here. I don't like that. Okay. Right now it's nope. Going down again. Come on, just pump. Man, I've been trading XRP in like 3, maybe 4 years. Now, to be fair, I did think it was going to go down before going up. I'm not talking, but since it is XRP and there is a slight pump, that's what led me to actually enter the trade for a very high leverage, very little money, just because I'm thinking, oh, it's going to go up. All the XRP army is going to wake up and say, it's going to $75,000. So right now, let me go back to this. So it's Sin City. Sin City. Enter. Space. No. Okay. Oh, it's only people. Is it only people I'm subscribed to? I don't know. We'll go to Tom Crown. We'll go to Tom Crown. So once this stream is done, we'll head that way. And then if you can do me a favor, just say, trade intuition, raid, or whatever. All right, so right now we're getting some hope. We're getting some hope. All right, so let me go back to this. Okay, we talked about that. So let's do some. So Bob, it's very important. I need to know you're still here, because if not, we're just wasting time. Lost on Crypto says, mad love, Joe. I'm out. Gotta go to work. All right, man. Thank you. Appreciate you. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, close. And watch. It's gonna go up now. I just close it. I just close it. It's gonna go up now. It's going to go up. Guarantee it. Because I close it, it's gonna go to the moon. Bob is still here. No, I don't know. Nope. See, any time in the next 4 years, seriously, doubt it. So Bob, very important. Oh, you're still here. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, sometimes people request it, and if I don't do it in like 2 minutes, they leave. But let's see here. Jesus Bread says, thank you for your time, Joe. You're the only one that answers questions. Oh, really? Well, come over more often, man. I love answering questions. I love having questions asked. I actually, I literally beg people to ask questions. So thank you, man. That means a lot to me. It's the on-demand liquidity. Same with XDC. When real estate gets added, XDC and tokenized assets, XDC will do something similar. There you go. It's a fake out. It may come down a little bit, but it's about to pump again. XRP is going to keep pumping. Possible. So Bob says here, awesome. Let us do some Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's go Ethereum. ETH, USDT, MEXC, Oof, man, ouch. ETH has just been going through the ringers. Going through the ringers. So on March 10th, 14 days ago, oh, we did it short. Did we get stopped out on that? No, but we did a short, and our 3x leverage, 10x or 10%, so the 30% that we got like really quick. This is a 1 hour time frame. Then it's kind of just being boring, not doing anything. We're right at resistance, just about. I would like to see it come down and take this. Let me clean up my chart. Get out of here, 53 drawings. Nobody wants you, nobody. So right now we're just kind of zoomed in. We already know, like, everything just dumps. Everything is dump city. This was a very key level that Ethereum needed to hold, and it did not. It's actually a zone. So this is our zone that Ethereum needed to hold, and it didn't. Let me make sure I'm at the right spot. Okay, so once Ethereum breaks, it's just like with Bitcoin. This was due to the crypto reserve. Once Ethereum breaks above 2518, more than likely it's ready to rock and roll. But until then, it's dangerous. Here we do have a really nice level that it could get rejected from before potentially going up. So long term, this is on the daily time frame. Long term, we might see something like, and I'll do it over here. We might see something like this. Come up here, get rejected, come back, take about half of this up. Then maybe even come in here for a little bit, then break this. And let's just say nobody else is going to happen, but it might. It's virtual. Let's see if XRP is going through the moon. Okay, good. I hate it when I get stopped out or I close out my trade and it reverses, like, oh man, if I would just stay in there. So I really like it when they dump. It's like, oh good, makes me feel good. All right, so let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's see if we can actually enter this trade. Oh, I don't like it when it's a block. I don't like it when it's like this. I like it when it's down, up, down. I like that. I don't like to see this. Because this, look at that. It's literally a block. I don't like that. So what I would do on this one is I would set an alert. Let's do an alert up here. So let's set an alert at 2030. Man, it's so big of a delay. Good Lord. So we're going to do an alert at 2030. And I think it's ready to go. I do. I think it's ready to go. The only problem with this block, instead of a pivot up and down, is there's no way for me to tell if it's starting to look bullish or bearish, or continue to look bearish until it breaks this. But then if it breaks this, it could, let's say it does this, comes down, comes up, continue this kind of trend that it broke out of. So it does this, comes down to take this liquidity, and then potentially say, just playing guys, we're going up. So it could do this, or it could get rejected when it comes to this part right here. Like this could be the potential area that we're looking for a reversal. This could be. We really need more time on this one. I'd say maybe in the next day or two. Hopefully by Monday, we'll see, you know, which way is it going? Is it going where it breaks out? Then it retests maybe to here before going up. And the area I'm looking at is this. So this top of the candle body to this top of the candle body. Come in here and let's change this color just a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. All right, guys. But that's it for me. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. If I have a lot of videos, guys, I have a lot of videos that show you how to do all this stuff. Granted, we did get wrecked on XRP. XRP said, Joe, trade intuition. We're going to show you how much intuition you have on this trade. I said, ouch. Thanks, man. Thanks for making me look dumb. But again, we win trades, we lose trades. This is my overall thought process when the price was here, for it to come down, then go up. But due to it being XRP and due to this one knowing that we could pump, like, oh, let me take all this spaghetti off. Knowing that we could pump like this or like this, I was just trying to, you know, this or this, just trying to get some gains really quick on the live stream. Did not happen. Ended up losing horribly. Not really. But that's the reason I put very little money in. See, Soul Pedro says, bingo bango. Thank you, my friend. So right now we're actually going to go, make sure to smash the like. Now we're going to go to Tom Crown. Make sure to definitely let him know that Trade Intuition sent you. So that way, hopefully, he can give us a shout out, and that way we can build our community. That's what we really need to do. Now, I'm going to play a song. I'm going to play a song. I really like this song. I'm going to play this song, and so let's go ahead and do that. So while the song's playing, let me know if you like it or not. In 3, 2, 1. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And for that reason, I stream every day, sometimes multiple times a day, so that I could show you how to trade. I don't want you getting bamboozled by all these people that have, you know, flashy whatever, and showing you all these things and clapping and hooping and hollering, because those people will really get you wrecked. You don't believe me? Join their group. Join their group, find out. If you want to learn how to do all this, join my group, find out. You don't have money for this, don't worry. I show you all of this every single day, multiple times a day, and for free. For free. In the group, you just learn faster. But if you don't have money, that should not stop you from learning. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. For that, watch me every single day. Thank you, guys. My name is Joe, and now let's listen to a really quick song before we go to Tom Crown's. Here we go.
Yo, they selling dreams but never back it up. Talk a big game but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense. Cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you less you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones. Not in a greed, don't think on your own. Asking real questions, watch them get mad. Talking circles when they don't understand. Tricking new traders with hype and some lies. Showing rented cars, flexing fake lifestyles. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Let's go to Tom Crown. You're gonna be